Hello, friends. Today we bring to you the movie review of Sherni, the latest Amazon Prime original.
नेचर से याद आया, तुमने कहा नहीं था हम लोग जाएंगे संडे को? हाँ।
This is the latest addition to the long list of offbeat non masala movies to be released during the pandemic. This movie has been directed by Amit Masurkar of Newton fame, who is known for making movies on contemporary and realistic stories that is quite different from our run of the mill Bollywood masala. The movie Sherni here captures the enigmatic man versus nature conflict and skillfully tells the story from multiple points of view. In the lead cast, we have Vidya Balan, who plays the role of an honest forest officer in a male dominated forest department, where she is constantly undermined by her superiors and colleagues. Yet, her character continues to work against all odds to do justice to her profession. Let's talk about the pros of this movie. Casting. There are quite a lot of things going great for this movie. One of them is definitely casting. The movie boasts of some really fine acting talent, such as Vidya Balan in the lead role, followed by the supporting cast of Vijay Raz as the enthusiastic zoology professor come forest department advisor, Neeraj Kabi as Nangya, a decorated yet corrupt senior forest officer, Sharat Saxena, who plays the role of Rajhans aka Pintu, who is a famous businessman come wildlife hunter, Brijendra Kalra, who plays the role of a bumbling forest officer and Vindhya Balan's boss. 2. Plot. The next strong point going for this movie is its plot. The story revolves around a contemporary and relevant issue of the conflict between mankind and nature. It shows the complex relationships between the innocent tribals, the government officials, political parties, and the wild animals. It has been portrayed really beautifully. Next, we want to talk about the fantastic cinematography, which captures some of the terrific aerial shots of the lush greenery and the breathtaking forests of central India. The shots of the wildlife, such as the tiger, the bear, and the other wildlife animals in the forest, is pretty realistic and didn't look like any shoddy work of CGI. Social issues. The movie deals with some real social issues in a nuanced manner. We see the protagonist facing sexism at workplace. We see the influence of local political leaders in decisions related to forest and wildlife management and the inherent corruption in the government institutions. It also shows some of the honest attempts of individuals and groups who believe in doing the right thing against all odds. Now we come to some of the cons of this movie. The documentary style narration. Even though the story deals with some pretty sensitive topic, the narrative seems pretty much like a documentary. It is a bit slow paced, what I would like to call it. I honestly believe that this movie could have been slightly shorter to be more crisp and impactful. Overall, the story builds pace quite gradually over a period of 2 hours, but doesn't give a typical fairy tale Bollywood ending, but rather gives a hard hitting, realistic climax which some people might not like. So, you tell us what you think about this movie in the comments below. Please like and subscribe our channel and stay tuned for more such reviews in future.